Hi everyone, today I'm excited to share my new Venetio Clean Spin Mop. It has an easy fill clean water tank design. It is so convenient. You just open the tank lid and fill it with water. As you can see, I have two of them side by side. The round one was the old iMop, which had a great water filtration system, but now with the second generation, the Clean is even better. This dirty separation system ensures that every cleaning session uses clean water. I will show you how it works with the new Clean. Continuing on to demonstrate to you the Clean bucket, which is the square one compared to the round Venetio iMop. The new Clean has a very simple thing to fill it. You just take off this top, fill that with water, and replace it just like that, and you're all ready to go. It's very convenient, and even though I love my round iMop, this is absolutely ingenious. It has the brush system there to take off hair and other debris from the round iMop. Even though that's round, you're putting into a square bucket. I will show you how that works. You unlock the handle here, and that goes down the handle, and you put it in the bucket, and you continually pump until the mop head becomes wet. When you're done with that, bring that up and you lock it, and then you proceed to clean your floor. Cleaning the floor cannot be any simpler than this. And when you're done, I have some debris over here I will pick up. When you are done cleaning, you again will be putting it back into the bucket and unlocking the handle, and again pumping the mop until you're getting clean water put back onto the mop head. Very simple. I have removed the original round iMop bucket to show you the features on here. Again, there are the brushes that remove hair and other debris as you're spinning the round mop in the square bucket. And there's even a spout down there to empty your water, or you could just turn it upside down and the water will flow out. Next up, another standout feature of Venetio Clean, wet, scrub, and spin dry all in one. This system swiftly spins, collecting dirty water and particles into an external container, ensuring the mop head always rinses with clean water. Traditional mop systems can't do this, often redistributing dirty water and causing more cleaning issues. While traditional spin mops just spin dry, the cleans the mop head with fresh water during each spin. This means every contact with the floor is with a clean mop head, resulting in a cleaner, shinier floor. They also give you this sponge cleaning brush to clean out the sides of the Clean in case there's debris in there that you feel you need to clean. So that's an added feature. If you want every clean to feel like the first, I highly recommend trying the Venetio Clean Spin Mop. Its water filtration and dirty separation system makes cleaning simpler and more efficient. You will not be disappointed in purchasing this from Venetio. It's available. Search Venetio Clean Spin Mop on Amazon. Thank you.